Welcome to Santa's Toy Factory here at Villanova. We've got some amazing activities and entertainment for you throughout the day, and this is all organised for you by Dubai Community Management.
Hey, we had a great time at this Christmas party. There's lots of things to do, lots of dancing and singing and fun things all over the place, and it's very festive, and we're excited to be here. We're thankful to the Dubai Community Management team, and we'll be back next year.
Yeah, it's an amazing event which attracts a lot of people, lots of activities for the kids, amazing food. Really big thank you to the Dubai Community Management for organizing this.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year!